So we're out here, out at my practice area, Toes MX Park. Got a new mechanic, built my bike up. We pretty much had to lay a strip of asphalt down. We laid 1,480 feet of asphalt. I won't touch any dirt by the time I get to my landing ramp. I'll pretty much come off the asphalt road onto my berm, which is plywooded with really sandy, grippy deck coating material. That'll come down into my asphalt, which is a 1/4 mile of asphalt before I hit my ramp. Now we're on the landing and we're measured down the landing. The ramp gap is a new world record at 341 foot ramp gap. At this 340 gap, I should land anywhere from 20 to 40 feet down, between 360 and 380.
Almost 7.2.
Only reason I didn't hit 400 mark is due to the wind. My gearing's right, my bike's ready, I got the speeds, I'm a bike length away from 400 feet, and all I need to do is hit the ramp one more time to go 400 feet. Evil Knievel called me the king of distance jumping, and I'm going to honor that and hold that as a title as the king of distance jumping.